I'm Todd Hyatt. My wife and I farm and ranch in Kellyville, Oklahoma. I served in the House of Representatives from 1994 through 2006, served as Speaker of the House from 2004 through 2006.
Will you oppose adding more surcharges to utility bills, ensuring all costs paid by consumers are scrutinized in a rate case?
Low utility rates have long been an advantage that we've had in Oklahoma, and certainly we want to maintain that. It's important not only for individual ratepayers, but it's important for businesses, the manufacturing base in this state. It's important that we keep rates low.
Will you oppose requiring utility customers to prepay for utility investments in power plants and transmission lines before those investments are built and serving customers?
I think it's important that as a Corporation Commissioner we ask tough questions. The utilities should be accountable to the ratepayers just as they are to their shareholders. And as a Corporation Commissioner I will ask the tough questions, and we'll do the research to assure that the only cost being recovered by the utilities are those that are absolutely necessary.
Smart meters enable utilities to begin charging consumers different prices for service depending on the time of day. Will you oppose mandatory time-variant pricing for residential utility customers?
Smart meters and time-variant pricing is a relatively new discussion in the utility industry. And I'm certain there will be more details to come. And as I research that, the thing that I would look for as a Corporation Commissioner would be the overall result. Would it result in lowering the cost for the consumer overall? I think that's the most important thing, and that's where I would focus. Well, again, I'm Todd Hyatt, and I would appreciate your support to serve as your next Corporation Commissioner. I can assure you that I will fight for the people. I will be an independent voice. I will be a fair voice, not swayed by special interest. I will be looking out for the ratepayer, number one.